Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the different types of natural disasters. But before that, we need to know what is disaster. Let's begin. We can define disaster as a serious disruption of the functioning of a society that can be man-made or a natural event affecting community or society to a great extent, and this cannot be alleviated or reduced without assistance. Disasters can be classified into natural and man-made disasters. However, in this lesson, we are going to discuss only about the natural disasters. Natural disasters generally include flood, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, landslides, forest fires, and so on. Now, these have immediate or instant impact on human health. They are often unexpected and can leave the whole communities in shock. Let's discuss these natural disasters one by one. Now, can you guess what this picture says? Yes, this is the consequences of earthquakes. So, we are going to study what is an earthquake and how it is caused. Let's see. An earthquake refers to sudden shaking of the ground. Now, how this shaking occurs? Let's see. This shaking occurs when mass of rocks forcefully rub against one another and fractures, just like the picture you can see here. And because of this fracture, some forms of energy that is stored in the Earth's crust suddenly get released. And this results in shaking. And this shaking may last for a few seconds to a few minutes as well. And it happens without warning and can happen at any time of the year. Now let's see and understand from which location the earthquake starts. Now the location below the Earth's surface where the earthquake starts is the hypocenter. And the location just above the hypocenter is the epicenter, as you can see here. Now the largest earthquake in a sequence is known as the main shock. Sometimes it can be preceded by one or more mild tremors, which is known as foreshocks. Main shocks are generally followed by aftershocks, and these aftershocks actually depends on the size of the main shocks. Now let's discuss the causes of earthquakes in details. The Earth's crust consists of 7 large lithospheric plates called tectonic plates. Along with this, there are numerous smaller plates as well. Now these plates are in continuous motion and causes a steady build-up of pressure in the rock strata on both sides. However, if the pressure is very high, seismic waves pass through the Earth's rocks, which results in sudden jerky movement that causes shaking under the ground. And this is what we perceive as earthquake. Earthquakes are generally recorded by instruments called seismograph, and the recording that is made is called seismogram. Now let me tell you what exactly happens. This seismograph, which you can see here in the picture as paper, has a base that sets firmly in the ground. And there is also a heavy weight present which hangs free. So when an earthquake shakes the ground, the base of the seismograph also shakes. However, the hanging weight does not. The string that hangs absorbs all the movement that takes place during the earthquakes, which causes a difference in position between the shaking part of the seismograph and the motionless part. This is what recorded in terms of seismograph. The size of an earthquake is called its magnitude, and this magnitude depends upon the intensity of the shaking that occurs during the earthquake. This magnitude of the earthquake is measured by the Richter magnitude scale, named after the scientist Charles Richter in 1935. Overall, huge damage occurs due to earthquake. It includes structural damage to buildings, damage to bridges and highways. It also causes damage to transport system as well as communication connections. And because of the damage of buildings, many people become homeless after earthquake. Now let us learn what should we exactly do before, during and after an earthquake. Now, before the earthquake occurs, we should always make sure that we have a fire extinguisher, first aid box, a battery powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Not only that, we should always learn to turn off the gas, water, electricity. We should make plans beforehand about where to meet our families after an earthquake. We should not leave heavy objects on shelves as they might fall during earthquake. We must also need to chalk out plans beforehand about what exactly should we do during earthquake when we are at school or workplace. Now, what should we do during an earthquake? Obviously, we should always stay calm. If we are indoors, then we should stay inside. If we are outside, we should stay outside. Now, if we are indoors, then we should stand against a wall near the center of the building and stand in a doorway or crawl under heavy furniture. We should always stay away from windows and outside doors. If we are indoors, we should always stay away from power lines or any kind of buildings that might fall during earthquake. We should not use matches, candles or any kind of flame. Now, if we are in car, we should stop the car immediately and stay inside the car until the earthquake stops. We should not use elevators as they might probably get stuck anyway. Now, what should we do exactly after an earthquake? Obviously, we should check ourselves as well as others for injuries, and if required, we should apply first aid immediately. We should also check water, gas and electric lines and find out whether there is any damage or not. If they are damaged, we should shut off the valves immediately and check for the smell of gas. If smell comes out, we should open all the windows and doors and leave that immediately and report for the same to the authorities. We should always stay out of damaged buildings or from damaged areas. We should always stay away from beaches. And if we are at school or workplace, then we should follow the emergency plan or the instruction of the person in charge and act accordingly. By now you have understood about the earthquake, how they are measured, the after effects of earthquake, as well as the safety measures that should be taken during earthquake. Thank you.